The main mode of hunting trapping style is just mimicking the tail as a fruit. It's completely non-venomous snake, not venomous snake.
Rats and all they also.
Yeah, you rats also. Yes. He's getting a python now. He'll get a chance to touch python. Not this snake. He doesn't like to be touched. He's a little shy species, like shy snake. No. Generally, we don't have a venomous snake in Prani. We can't even keep them as a pet in India. That's going to be illegal activities. And there is only one longest venomous snake. Can you guess it?
Anaconda.
King cobra. King cobra is the longest venomous snake. Apart from king cobra, there is no longest venomous snake. All of them are non-venomous snakes. So the snake that you see here, my friend is holding, it is called as a python. This one is python, smallest species of python found in African savanna grassland, and they can only grow 3 to 4 feet longer. That's it. And the reason behind it called ball python, they can keep their head in between and coil into a ball, curl into a ball to protect from predators and to trap the prey like birds, something like that. And both of them are completely non-venomous snake. They are called as a constrictor. They use their complete body to kill the animals. What do venomous snake do? They use their fangs to inject the venom. Then animal will lose the life in the swallow. These snakes, apart from biting, they use entire body. They just immediately coil around the body, tied them, break their breathing, and break their blood flow and kill them.
How many years live in this state? Like
Both of them can live around 20-25 years. Like you can live 30 years, you can live 20 years, 15-20 years. Now, how to interact with the snakes? Snakes don't like to be touched in the top body like this. When you go on the top, the snake would think somebody is attacking. So it's going to be uncomfortable feeling. So where to touch? You should keep your hand like this, both hands, and touch the bottom body like this. Right? He will come like this. You just need to be in a place. He will only come.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಒಟ್ಟಂಗೆ Wanna touch, sir?
So once you are done touching the snake, you can wait here only. He is going to get a ball in the collar.
ಬಿಡ್ಬೋದಾ
Easily. No. Usually their body structure is like this only. Pythons, boas, anacondas.
ನೀವೇನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಫುಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
They also shed their skin.
All snakes, all reptiles, including turtle, tortoise, lizards, crocodiles, all of them will shed their scales to keep themselves clean, to remove all the parasites.